All right, so this is another episode of Viewers Restorations, and today we're going to be talking about a 1984 beautifully restored, well done Jeep CJ7. So this is Tom's Jeep. Tom lives out in Colorado, and from the emails that we exchanged, he said that he had a 77 CJ5 when he was younger, and fast forward in his life 38 years, he said, and he's got this 84 Jeep CJ7. So it didn't look too bad. I want to show you guys a picture of it, and obviously pictures can be deceiving, but this is the picture, I'm guessing, when he first bought the Jeep. So take a look at this, and if you look closely in this picture, in the background it says Jeeps for sale, and it says $4,000. So Tom, if you got this Jeep, and I know you said it was in bad shape when you got it, but if you got it for $4,000, that's a pretty good deal. I'm in Georgia, just outside of Atlanta, and you can't find $4,000 CJs in this market, anyways. So good job on getting a great deal on that Jeep. And take a look at this picture real quick. So from what Tom told me, his Jeep was pretty rusty, and he had to replace quite a bit of sheet metal, and including, I think, the whole floor. And he sent me a couple of pictures of him doing some body work. Good job doing that body work yourself. And he sent me some pictures of the Jeep kind of in a restoration phase with a lot of the floor cut out. So take a look at these two pictures. They're really cool. Alright, so from those pictures you can see that the amount of body work that Tom did to this thing was pretty extensive. And he also kind of noted that, like me, I didn't take mine down to the bare frame, and either did he. And looking back, I think he wishes that he did take it down to the frame, kind of like I wish that I took mine down to the frame and just started off with a really clean platform. It's a really clean looking Jeep. Tom said that the drivetrain is the stock drivetrain. He's got the 258 straight six, and I think he said he had a 5-speed, which is pretty nice, and the Dana 300 transfer case, which is all factory drivetrain. He did say that he has the some kind of fuel injection, some kind of aftermarket fuel injection that he put on the motor, which he said is really helpful in the mountains up there in Colorado. So like me, Tom did a lot of the stainless steel accessories in black, and his Jeep is, kind of similar to mine in that it's all kind of blacked out and not any chrome that I could see. Like the wheels that he put on there, and all the black accessories and the yellow paint. The paint just looks great. So Tom said that he has a neighbor that manages some kind of a body shop, and his neighbor, I guess, painted the Jeep for him and did a really nice job with that yellow. All right, so take a look at this last picture here. This is the Jeep fully restored, sitting in the driveway, just shining. It looks really good. So nice work, Tom, and I really appreciate you sharing your Jeep with us. So Tom also mentioned in one of his emails that he is starting up a YouTube channel, and it's called Jeep CJ Apprentice. So I went and checked it out. There's 2 short clips on there. So he's just getting started with that, but give him some time and give him a chance to get that up and running, and then go check that out. So it's Jeep CJ Apprentice. All right, Tom, really appreciate you sending in the information. Enjoyed the email exchanges that we had, and really love your Jeep, and I'm glad you shared it with us. All right, if you want to see your Jeep featured on Viewers Restorations, then send me an email. My email address is jd_offline@yahoo.com. And send me some pictures. Tell me a little bit about the backstory, and I'll see if I can get a video put together and put it out there for everyone to look at and enjoy. All right, if you like this video, you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.